Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and inside this video I'm going to show you step by step how to get started with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing even if you've never made money with affiliate marketing before in your life. So this is going to be a beginner tutorial for affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you step by step everything that you need to know in order to be successful with affiliate marketing. So make sure to watch this video all the way through so you don't miss out on any part of this affiliate marketing strategy that I'm going to be showing you inside of this video. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing from different companies like you see here in these screenshots. I've been able to make money with affiliate marketing for tons of different companies and programs, and I'm going to show you step by step how I went about it myself and how you can do the same and hopefully get the same kind of results that I'm getting. So first off, what is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing in a nutshell is taking digital customers. So this is going to be people on either social media platforms or on Google or on platforms like YouTube. So anybody who is online, you can be doing affiliate marketing with those people. Then what you do is you take that audience and you recommend a certain product to them. That product could be either a physical product or a digital type of product like a software. Then what you do is you have your unique affiliate link that is unique to you and you alone, and you recommend that link to your audience. Every single time somebody clicks on that link, it takes them over to a company's website or a landing page for them to buy a product. If they buy a product through your unique affiliate link, you're going to be making a commission off of that sale. And affiliate marketing is great because it not only helps out you to make money, but it also helps out the company that you are promoting products for. So it's a win-win for both of the parties. There's two different types of ways that you can go about doing affiliate marketing. So number one is you could recommend physical products. And obviously Amazon's going to be one of the most well-known places to do physical product affiliate marketing. You also have places like REI or even Home Depot or Walmart that you can become an affiliate for and recommend their products to your customers. You also have the digital product route, which is going to be your software, your courses, and your ebooks. So some software that I could think of could be like tax software, or it could be like cryptocurrency software, or you could even promote individuals who have courses or ebooks that they're selling inside of a specific niche. So to give you an example of an affiliate marketing program, I'm currently here on a website called Amazon Associates, and Amazon Associates is the affiliate marketing program for Amazon.com. And what you can do here is you can recommend all the products on Amazon, and every single time somebody purchases through your unique affiliate link, you're going to earn commissions from Amazon themselves. And it's actually really simple to apply for the Amazon affiliate marketing program. All you have to do here is just hit sign up and then just put in your information, and you can actually use your own personal Amazon account for this whole setup process. So the steps would be first to sign up, and then after that you would recommend millions of different products to your audience. So literally anything on the Amazon platform you could recommend. So this could be for bloggers or even social media influencers. And then lastly, you earn commissions every single time somebody buys a product from you. And specifically with Amazon, you're going to earn up to 10% on Amazon affiliate commissions every single time somebody purchases a product on Amazon using your affiliate link. Now you may be thinking that 10% and less isn't a lot of money when it comes to making commissions in affiliate marketing, and you'd be right. So promoting physical products isn't actually going to give you the most amount of money per sale. What you have to do in order to make the most amount of money per sale in affiliate marketing is actually recommend digital products. So here's an example of a digital product. This is going to be Bluehost.com. They are a web host for websites, and specifically they like to cater to web hosting for WordPress websites. And as you can see here, compared to promoting physical products on Amazon, you're going to be earning a whole lot more every single time somebody purchases a product from you. So if you refer your audience to Bluehost with your affiliate link, you can earn $65 per hosting purchase. So right there, that's a whole lot more money if you go with the digital product route. And I actually recommend promoting digital products over promoting physical products because you're going to make more money quicker with this method of affiliate marketing. Now there's one other type of affiliate marketing program that you could actually become a part of, and that's actually promoting digital courses or online trainings. And the most popular course to promote is going to be Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is an online educational system that teaches marketing, and it's actually one of the most popular courses to promote as an affiliate marketer. So we saw that with physical products, you can only earn a certain percentage, and it's usually not that much money. And then we saw with Bluehost that you can earn up to $65 per sale. Now with promoting a digital course, you're actually going to be earning the most amount of money with affiliate marketing because the commission rates are going to be a lot higher and the prices of the products could also be higher. So let me just go ahead and show you some affiliate commission prices for this Legendary Marketer program. So if you go over here, you can see that based on your account, you could make 10 to 30% affiliate commission for every single kind of sale that you make. So if you're going to be selling, let's say the digital products business blueprint, that's going to give you $1,000 in affiliate commission. So you can see right there that it'd be a lot easier to scale up an affiliate marketing business if you were to promote courses instead of digital products or even physical products, because this is going to give you the most amount of money in the short term and in the long term, because it has high upfront commissions and it also has recurring commissions in the back end. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below this video if you want to sign up to the Legendary Marketer program and start promoting what I believe is to be the best affiliate marketing product to promote, especially if you are a beginner with affiliate marketing. Now, in just a second, I'm going to teach you step-by-step how to actually make money with affiliate marketing. But before we do that, we just have to talk about affiliate marketplaces because they are so profound and there's so many different marketplaces out there for affiliates that it really is an important aspect to affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketplaces are where companies join together under one marketplace name. So that could be somewhere like ClickBank. And all these companies put their products there so that affiliates can find their products more easily to promote. And this is helpful because you don't have to go to every single company and apply for their affiliate program. All you have to do is just sign up for a free account to the affiliate marketplace, and then you can apply to all kinds of different companies inside of that marketplace. One of the most popular affiliate marketplaces is going to be a place called ShareASale. A lot of companies actually join ShareASale and offer their products to affiliate marketers underneath this marketplace. So as you can see here, they actually work with a lot of big companies like BuzzFeed, Honey, Deluxe, Minted. A lot of companies offer their products inside ShareASale because it's simply easier for affiliates to find their products and promote them. And if we scroll down to the bottom of ShareASale, you're going to see that there's this affiliate tab right here, and this opens up the affiliate marketing part of the website for ShareASale. And as you can see, $1.3 billion has been made by affiliate marketers who have promoted products inside of this marketplace. Also, 260 affiliates join every single day, and there's 21,000 different brands that you can promote inside of ShareASale. So you can see the importance of affiliate marketplaces. It just connects the affiliates with the companies. And usually the marketplaces are going to have intuitive tools and reporting so you can keep track of your affiliate marketing stats and your earnings right there inside of the marketplace. So now that you know all about the affiliate marketing products that you have the opportunity to promote online, let's go ahead and talk about how do you actually get customers to click on that affiliate link so you can actually make money with affiliate marketing. There's going to be two different types of traffic sources that I recommend, and that's going to be social media traffic sources and search-based traffic sources. And both of these sources are going to be absolutely free because it's free organic traffic for your affiliate marketing business. So with social, you have places like TikTok and you have places like Instagram and Twitter. All these places will allow you to promote products on their platforms for absolutely free because it's free social media traffic to your affiliate marketing business. And when it comes to search traffic, you have places like YouTube, but also Google is included in that. So you could create a blog or a YouTube channel, and it's always going to be based around search terms that your audience is going to be searching inside of those search engines, which is why search traffic is going to be the best long-term option for beginner affiliate marketers, and social media traffic is going to be the best short-term traffic source for affiliate marketers to make money fast with affiliate marketing. Just to give you an example of how affiliate marketing works on social media, this is my personal TikTok account. And as you can see, I'm going to be promoting an affiliate product inside of the link of my bio. And that's really how social media affiliate marketing works. Is you create videos or any kind of content. So if it's Twitter, it's going to be mostly text-based. If it's Instagram, it's going to be mostly picture-based. And if it's something like Twitter, it's going to be all video-based. So you create content around your target audience, and around the affiliate marketing product that you're going to be promoting. And then you usually send people to the bio where you have your affiliate link so people can buy products that you recommend. And when it comes to search-based traffic for affiliate marketing, I highly recommend YouTube. I'm just going to show you a couple examples of how search-based traffic works for affiliate marketing. So if we want to promote, say, Bluehost, like I showed you in my earlier video, then we can just go here and type in Bluehost review, and then you can see it pops up right here inside of YouTube. Click on that, and as you can see, all these different people have created reviews of Bluehost. And the reason that they're doing this is because people are going to be clicking on this video, and then when they watch the review, they're usually going to be interested in the product already because they're searching for Bluehost review. So they scroll down and they're like, okay, I really want to purchase Bluehost for my blogging business. And so they go down here and they click right here on this affiliate link. So a VPN Beast is going to get paid every single time somebody clicks on this link and purchases Bluehost from his unique affiliate link. So you can see that you have the ability to make money with social media traffic, and you have the ability to make money with search traffic. So what do I recommend as the ultimate affiliate marketing strategy? So for the ultimate affiliate marketing strategy that's working for me and for tons of other people online is going to be this. First off, I recommend joining Legendary Marketer. This is going to give you the building blocks that you need in order to build an affiliate marketing business. And you can join Legendary Marketer by clicking on the link down below this video. You can apply to become an affiliate, and then you can start making those high ticket commissions that I showed you before, upwards of $1,000 per sale. After you've joined Legendary Marketer and you have your affiliate link, now I recommend targeting both the social and search traffic for keywords around the make money online niche. Then I recommend that you create content on both TikTok and YouTube. And this content should really be educational based, and you should be giving tips on both your TikTok and your YouTube videos. Pack them with tons of value so that you build know, like, and trust with your audience. And then you're going to have a strategy that works both in the short term on TikTok and in the long term on YouTube. When it comes to actually creating content on TikTok, what I recommend is that you follow 3250 big creators inside of the Make Money Online niche. That's going to be people like Make Money with Stacey Law. As you can see, she gets quite a bit of engagement on her videos, and she does come up with quite a few unique video strategies that really branch off to a lot of people who want to make money online. Then I recommend creating step-by-step YouTube videos on how to make money with affiliate marketing. So what you could do to come up with video ideas on YouTube is you could go to the search bar and you can see the drop down here. So this is going to give you all kinds of different recommendations for keywords to search for. So we're just going to type in how to make money with affiliate marketing. And as you can see here, they have how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing 2022. Here's one, how to make money with affiliate marketing with no website or money. And then how to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners. So as you can see, there's so many different keywords that you can target inside of your videos on YouTube. And once you start creating consistent videos on both TikTok and YouTube, you're going to have a strong, loyal fan base who's going to be taking your recommendations for what they should buy for their own online businesses. So right now, if you want to get started with affiliate marketing and really have success as a beginner, I recommend first off subscribing to the channel, liking this video, check out some of my other videos on this channel about affiliate marketing, and then I recommend going over and signing up for Legendary Marketer. You can find the link down below this video inside the description. Once you do that, you're really going to have the step-by-step knowledge that you need in order to take your beginner affiliate marketing business into something that could possibly replace your 9-to-5. And if you want more content on affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. I'm David, and I create videos about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. So subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys inside of my next video.